CNP featured research. This is your Diet Mental Health Break number 29. Brought to you by the Center for Nutritional Psychology. 2 minutes to learn and be good to yourself. Lactobacillus bacteria in the gut protect against stress in mice. Stress activates the body's fight-or-flight response, initiating many physiological changes that prepare us to deal with the threatening situation. While this response can be helpful in the short term, triggering it often can result in many adverse health consequences. However, different factors determine how chronic stress affects our bodies. Gut bacteria seem to be among them. Studies indicate that Lactobacillus bacteria living in our gut might have a protective effect against the harmful psychological effects of stress. Study author Andrea R. Merchek and her colleagues wanted to verify this. They conducted several experiments on mice. The experiments were conducted on mice without bacteria in the gut, mice with a specific group of 8 bacterial species known as the altered Shadler flora in their guts, and another group that also had altered Shadler flora, but without Lactobacillus bacteria. Researchers first exposed some of these mice to chronic stress. The mice developed anxiety and depression-like symptoms. After transferring gut bacteria from these mice to mice without gut bacteria, this second group of mice started showing the same symptoms, although they were not exposed to stress. Further experiments show that mice without Lactobacillus bacteria in their gut are more susceptible to stress. Study authors discover this happens because Lactobacillus bacteria in the gut stimulate the body to produce a protein called interferon-gamma, making the brain more resilient to stress. If these findings are confirmed in humans, they might also open ways to develop resilience to stress through interventions aimed at gut microbiota and diet. Our thanks to Andrea R. Merchek and her colleagues for conducting this informative analysis. This Diet Mental Health Break is brought to you by the Center for Nutritional Psychology, CNP.